Presents scaffolding bottom cup die. First process blanking. Raw material required for blanking is of width 1/12 in. Blank size for bottom cup is 1/06 in and thickness may vary according to client requirement. Second process bowl making. All dies are made in pillar bushes to delivery accuracy. We are manufacturing all types of scaffolding dies. Third process punching. Sohal Welding Works and Arc Flow Welder, a complete solution for scaffolding.